Hello. What's in my mirror? Oh, okay. Hey y'all. Today I went to Sephora and I got some goods. I'm gonna show y'all what I got really quickly. I'm just jumping in, right? Hey y'all, it's your girl Alyssa. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new, what's up? Welcome. Today I got a review and I'm just gonna show you guys what I picked up today from Sephora. Really quickly, y'all, I'm obsessed with Sol de Janeiro. I am. So I had to get this oil because I live by a body oil. I love a good body oil. Mixing it with my lotion, mixing it with my body butter, especially right now in the wintertime. Ooh. And I swatched it, like put it on in the store and it smells so good. It smells just like the original Sol de Janeiro, so I had to get it. I got a little small one of the one size translucent powder. Everybody talk about how good this is, so I want to try it out. We shall see. I love Patrick Star. I also got Urban Decay Space Cowboy. This is like a great topper. Yes, very excited about this. Might put it on today. And then I also got, ooh, is that somebody's hair? I also got a small mini size of the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm going to give this another try. It has never been my favorite. I tried it and it just didn't give for me. But that was years ago, like over 5 years ago probably. So I'm going to give it another try and I got a mini in the Serge de Jour. I think that's how you say it. And last but never least, I got the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation. Oh, it was upside down. Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation. And this is what we're about to get into. We're going to review and try it on. I hope it is as beautiful as everybody has been making it seem. So if you are interested, keep on watching. Let's go. Okay, so Makeup by Mario. I've always followed Makeup by Mario. I'm happy to see that his brand is doing great. What's crazy is I've always followed him, and this is the first thing that I purchased. I feel like this is the first thing that spoke to me, okay? No shade, Mario, like, I love you, but this is the first thing that I wanted to pick up. So, this is the Surreal Skin Foundation. It's my complexion masterpiece, it said. I put my heart into this groundbreaking formula with the hope of not creating a barrier foundation, but rather awakening the true infinite beauty that lies within. Ooh, come on. With love and light, Mario. Boom. That's really nice to just have on here. It's giving like positivity. So this is the packaging. I know we all have saw. I got it in the shade 18W. That look like me, don't it? Ooh. So I'm gonna do sponge, brush, and we jumping right into it. But I am gonna go with my Milk primer because I always use this primer. I've done my skincare. Okay, got the primer on. Ooh! This retails for $42. It's supposed to be a nice radiant foundation. I'm going to pump one pump out. And then, because people was talking about how it's like glitter in it. I don't really see the glitter per se. Do that. And we're gonna go in on this side with the sponge. So it's looking very much so like skin, like really, really light skin. I think the shade works. I don't think it's probably another shade for me in this. Yeah, the shade definitely works. It melts right into the skin. It looks really good. I think I might like it better with the brush. I haven't seen him use it with a sponge, so I'm about to go in on the other side with a brush. I don't even think you need 2 pumps to this foundation. Okay, it's definitely better with a brush. Okay, so I think this looks really good. I think it's giving high-end, sheer to medium coverage, dewiness, radiant, and what he say, infinite beauty. My skin, it looks like skin. It's definitely shining through, but it is adding a little bit of coverage over the blemishes. I do have like a little darkness around my mouth now because I burnt myself with this mask that I use. Ooh. And I can kind of still see that just a little bit. I did color correct because I usually don't. But I can say it's sitting on the skin really nicely. It's not seeping into my smile lines or anything. I think it looks really nice. I'm not blown away, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup and then we're gonna see how I feel. But I've just been watching so many people put it on. It's just like, whoa, Mario, you know, and I ain't really get that. I did get that with the House Labs. House Labs. Let me put on the rest of my face. I'll be back. Okay. Checking in with my concealer and my cream contour black opal on. Honey. Honey. It's looking good. It's looking really, really good. And it's like, ooh. Yeah, he might have did something with this one. Because it's just like sitting on the skin. It's giving what you want it to give without doing too much. Like, most people will get this look from adding an illuminator and then prepping the skin, using the right primer, having the right, skin and da-da-woo-woo. Like, this is giving supermodel skin without a lot of effort. I didn't do no cream illuminator under this. Like, you don't need that because it gives all of that, okay? Yeah. That's exactly what it's giving. Supermodel skin in the bottom. I love that for us. I'm gonna do some cream blush. I've been into that lately. Don't tell you too much, Lord Jesus. Yeah. Blend this out. But yeah, I had to come back and say that because it was looking really, really good. And just like supermodel skin, no effort. Hashtag. Okay, this is my skin without me setting. I wanted to come back and show you guys just how it looks blended. It looks really, really good. It looks really, really like grown woman. No cake face over here. I know exactly what I'm doing. My skin is bomb. My makeup is bomb. I'm glowing from within. Like, it is giving. Okay, I'm gonna give it to the girls. The girls were not lying. Mario did his thing. And I didn't even use the whole 2 pumps. Listen, you don't even need all of that. Is this an ounce of product? Do people still care about that? It is an ounce. You know how I used to have to get all them details on YouTube when doing a review. Child, people don't even know all that no more. But okay, I'm about to set and I'll be back with my final look and we can chat a little bit more. What do you think? Okay. I am dressed and ready to go. Really quick on the lip, I have Morphe Toasty, Makeup Forever. What is this one? Limitless Brown. And then Artist Couture. Artist Couture highly favored. This has been my go-to. I've been loving the Artist Couture highly favored with a little bit of liner. All right, we're not here for that. We're not here for that. We're here to talk about the foundation. The foundation looks really good. Period. The foundation looks really good. I'm looking at my viewfinder. Ooh, mascara, y'all. My goodness. Do I got time for primer? Lord, I probably don't have time for this, but I'm still doing it. That's my toxic trait, y'all. Knowing I don't have time for something and I still do it. Like in the shower, I don't be having time to do no whole body scrub, but I'm gonna do a scrub. And it's just like not even, it don't even be that deep. Like, girl, get out the shower. But yes, I really do like the foundation. I think Foundation Twins is a great match for us. Definitely check it out if you've been wanting to check it out. If you've been seeing all this craze all over the internet and you've been wanting to check it out, do just like me and go. Because I feel like I look really good. I feel like I look flawless. I look radiant. I set my face down a lot with the powder. And I also use the airbrush from Charlotte Tilbury. This really gives you a mattified finish. The mascara be so stressful trying to put it on because my lashes are so curly. And that pretty shade on my lid, you guys, is the Urban Decay Space Cowboy. Ooh, it's just beautiful. So this, you guys, is the final look. I really enjoyed the Makeup by Mario foundation. This will not be the last time that you see this on my channel. It's so good. It's so pretty. It's so sleek. I'm talking about the packaging when I said the sleek part. But I'm about to go out. And you know what? When I come home, I can come and sit right here and show you guys what it looked like after being out and about, talking, eating, drinking, laughing, you know, all of that. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like when I'm done with my makeup. The highlight is the Fenty, how many carats, so pretty. I'm late, I gotta go. I'll be back. Peace. Hello, really quick, I am back. I really feel like my smile lines is a no-go. I haven't seen my smile lines look this bad in a while. Let me see if I can fix them. Ooh, that look way better. Okay, so this needs to be touched up. One thing about me, I don't touch up. I never touch up. But you know what? Maybe I need to switch that mindset because maybe you have to touch up a bit. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie, it looks really good and I like it, but I got something else that I would wear. So I want to play with it. I think it'd be good to mix with other things. I think that the superstar skin look that it added will be great when you add it to like a very matte foundation that lasts all day on some Estee Lauder, Fenty Beauty, Lancome Status, NARS, you know, mixing those two together. So I want to see what it's going to give me. I'm going to mix and play around. I'm happy I have it. I think it's something to have in your collection because it does something that these other foundations don't really do, giving that supermodel skin look. But the way it creased in my smile lines and like my, you know, like you see right here is giving a little crease in. It's just like, the other foundations don't do that. So I think mixing it together is going to give us like best of both worlds. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.